Identify the core concept. This question tests the application of solubility rules for common ionic compounds in aqueous solutions. Evaluate group 1 and nitrate salts. Recall the most fundamental solubility rules. All salts containing alkali metal cations, like K to the power plus, or the nitrate anion, number 3 to the power negative, are highly soluble in water. This immediately classifies choice C, K2CrO4, and choice E, Pb, number 3, 2, as soluble. Evaluate halide and sulfate solubility. Most chlorides, Cl to the power negative, and sulfates, SO4 to the power 2, are generally soluble. Common exceptions for halides include Ag to the power plus, Pb to the power 2 plus, and Hg2 to the power 2 plus. For sulfates, exceptions include Ba to the power 2 plus, Senior to the power 2 plus, and Pb to the power 2 plus. Since neither Mg to the power 2 plus nor Al to the power 3 plus are among these exceptions, choice B, MgCl2, and choice D, Al2, SO4, 3, are also soluble. Evaluate sulfide solubility. Recall the rule for sulfides, S to the power 2. Most transition metal sulfides are insoluble in water, having very low Ksp values, unless they are paired with group 1 or group 2 cations. Conclusion: because Nis, nickel, 2, sulfide, is a transition metal sulfide and does not fall under any soluble category, it is the least soluble salt among the provided options. The correct answer is option A, Nis.